let me introduce you to an instant classic, the Renault 5 E-Tech Electric. Thank you.
Everyone! The all-new Renault 5 E-Tech Electric, and there is no doubt that you are all eager to know more about this electric pop icon.